was very cautious about it.
Well, the side of the road's not a courtroom, so if you have an issue, you're welcome to call the judge.
Hey, thank you for arriving. You're being. I like your attitude.
Well, if you would have followed directions, you would have probably got off with a warning. But you want to be disrespectful and not follow law enforcement orders. You want to be smart about it by saying no, continue to say no. You think you have this entitlement. You do not have your entitlement. When law enforcement pulls you over, you listen to them. Make sure you let your family know.
Okay.
You're not entitled. You follow our instructions. You can go to jail for not following our instructions. Okay? So when we find out if you have insurance or not, we'll see about writing you another ticket.
Okay.
Was it 156?
They just raised it. I always just tell them, the clerk portal tell them what it is.
Is this your correct address right here? 3600 Southwest 23rd Street, apartment C15?
Yeah, the light is hitting it, but
Okay.
yeah. Oh, yeah, 3600. Yeah.
Okay.
That would be correct, sir.
You have a phone number?
El 787. Sorry, that's that I translate in Spanish. It's 787
787
595
595
6683.
6683.
Yes, that's correct.
All right, this is a non-movement citation, okay? Means you're not missing the guilt. You can take the support protest if you want to. Pay the ticket. It's a movement citation, like I said. It's I think it's around 156.
You said careless driving earlier?
I did say careless, but I didn't write you for careless. I wrote you for failure to yield at a vehicle already in intersection. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Careless. If you want to write a careless, I can. It kind of covers everything.
But
it's,
sir,
but it's a high.
I just asked because
I'm
you
just
said
telling
that.
I did.
You
I
said
did.
that earlier on our interaction. That's why. But
Yep.
don't,
No.
Don't need to do that.
Yep. I wrote you the lesser of the two evils.
Okay, then I'll